Morning, Steve in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, they say sometimes in a bull weather market we take a pause, and we are pausing right now with beans down about 13 cents, corn down 6, and wheat also down about 6 cents. Overnight we had a cell of rain that kind of popped up in central Illinois. We also are seeing some rains right now in southeast Iowa, and I think that caused a little bit of selling. Market's overbought. The main thing is, number one, is that we are not changing the 2-week forecast. After these rains, it should be warm and dry across most of the Midwest, especially in the western part. We did see crop ratings drop overnight. Corn is now 65% good to excellent versus 68 last week and 76 last year. We're still quite a bit ahead of the 2012 when the crop was rated around 40% good to excellent. Beans, 62% good to excellent versus 64 last week and 71 last year. And spring wheat dropped to 35% good to excellent versus 70 last year. So we still are seeing a drop in crop ratings, and if it turns warm and dry, we would expect further drop in ratings. We did see one private analyst come out and lower his U.S. corn yield 2 bushels per acre to 165. He also lowered his soybean yield half a bushel to 47.5. So the top 5 as far as the corn states, Minnesota and Iowa. For beans, it's the Delta and Minnesota. Bottom 5, South Dakota, in North Dakota, parts of Illinois, Nebraska are all the ones that are seeing declines in crop ratings. So the second thing is that we are having a USDA report tomorrow. It's one of those, should be a nothing report, but doubt if the USDA makes a lot of changes as far as production is concerned, carryouts are concerned, global carryouts. We did see CONAB this morning raise their corn crop to 96 million tons. They were previously a little under 94 million tons, which means that they could raise that corn crop if the USDA sees fit. So the report should take a back seat to the weather, and then we'll see what happens down the road as far as the models are concerned. Still warm and dry over the next 2 weeks. Some people say that weather markets do give you a chance to let you in if there's concern down the road. This could be a buying opportunity for people, especially on the end user side who are concerned about higher prices. As we mentioned yesterday, the models that take the European model and take it out as far as weather-wise, lower the yields, do suggest these corn could go to $4.75 and no beans to $12. So let's see what kind of fireworks we get over the next 2 weeks. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.